Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Driving the Wheels Off. Today, we're going to be knocking out that pesky DRL light on my 2011 MDX. So let's get started. When you're looking at your drive light lens, the light on the left is your drive light, and the light on your right will be your fog light. So there's a couple different ways that we can get to the back of this drive light, but we're going to try to do it the easiest way first. Okay, so we're going to start by taking these three clips out of here, and you're just going to need a flathead screwdriver and possibly a pair of needle nose or just regular pliers. Now, if you pull this out and the center comes out, that's okay. All you have to do is get your screwdriver up underneath the base and pop the base out. Now we're going to move over to this bolt, and this is a 10 millimeter. Now we're going to remove these three bolts, which are also 10 millimeter. Lastly, we're going to remove this screw from the inside of the fender. Now that we can reach inside, we're going to put our arm right through the wheel well, and we're going to reach for the second light. We're going to give it a quarter of a turn to the left, and now you can see the light, and you're just going to unclip it and pull it straight down. So these are the replacement bulbs. They're a 9005, and I'll put a link in the description below. Now we're just going to do everything in reverse. We're going to grab our wire and plug our light in. Now we're going to slide everything back in and give it a quarter turn to the right. I would strongly recommend that before you put everything back, you test and make sure that the light is working and the DRL warning went out. Again, we're going to do everything in reverse. And after you get everything tightened up, you're good to go. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.